Acid reflux diet, food to eat and avoid. A burning sensation in the chest, a bloated stomach from excess gas production. Acid reflux is no piece of cake. Acid reflux is a common condition with burning pain in the lower chest known as heartburn, also known as Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, if acid reflux symptoms happen more than twice a week. It happens when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus or food pipe. Reflux occurs when the valve that keeps the content of your stomach from flowing up into your esophagus stops working properly. This condition affects about 20% of the entire population. If you experience long-term acid reflux, we highly recommend you to check the link in the description below to get our recommended guide to beat the root cause of acid reflux without medication. Anyway, when dealing with this condition, the type of food you consume can be a make or break factor. Using foods to control your reflux can prevent pain and damage to your body while preserving enough stomach acid to prevent bacterial growth. Foods to eat. Number 1, vegetables. Because of their low fat and sugar content, vegetables can help reduce stomach acid. Vegetables to include in your diet, such as root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and turnips. Moreover, fennel, mushrooms, cucumbers, green beans, and broccoli are also good choices. Number 2, oatmeal. Oatmeal is a fibrous food, which makes you feel full, so you're less likely to overeat. High-fiber foods have been linked to reducing acid reflux. Other whole grains like couscous and brown rice are also good to lower acid reflux. Number 3, non-citrus fruits. Citrus fruits have a low pH. This means they're acidic. On the other hand, non-citrus fruits like bananas and melons are less acidic. Eating them will help offset the acid concentration in the stomach, hence reducing the likelihood of reflux symptoms. 4, egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent source of protein. Since people with GERD should generally avoid fat, the egg yolk should be avoided. Egg whites provide a way to get the nutritious benefits of eggs without facing the side effects. Number 5, lean meats and seafood. Lean meats like turkey, chicken, fish, and seafood have low fat content and can help reduce symptoms of acid reflux. Remove the fatty skin from the chicken or turkey breast before eating. Also avoid fried meat, but instead opt for broiled, baked, or grilled meat. 6, ginger. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural treatment for a wide array of gastrointestinal problems and even heartburn. Try incorporating ginger into various dishes like steamed fish. You can also slice or grate ginger into your smoothies. Drinking ginger tea before or after your meal may also help to reduce symptoms of acid reflux. Number 7, healthy fats. Fat is a necessary part of a balanced diet. That's why sticking to a healthy fat source like olive oil, flaxseed, avocados, sesame oil, walnuts, and sunflower oil are less likely to trigger acid reflux. Moreover, replace your intake of saturated and trans fats with healthier unsaturated fats. 8, watery foods. Watery foods like cucumber, lettuce, herbal tea, watermelon, celery, and broth-based soups can help dilute and weaken stomach acid. Adding them in your diet may help reduce symptoms of acid reflux. Foods to avoid. Different people have different food that triggers acid reflux. That's why it's important to keep a food diary to note your individual triggers. Anytime you eat your trigger food, you may notice symptoms like heartburn, dry cough, bloating, burping, or hiccups, and/or a sore throat. In general, there are certain foods that are high triggers for a lot of people. Staying away from them may help improve your condition. Here are some of them. Citrus fruits. Although fruits are an important part of a healthy diet, certain fruits have high acidic content and may worsen your symptoms. That's why you should reduce or completely avoid fruits like limes, pineapples, oranges, and grapefruit. Tomatoes. Although tomatoes contain healthy nutrients like lycopene, they are also highly acidic and may result in heartburn in those that are prone to it. Also do well to avoid marinara sauce, ketchup, and other variants of tomatoes. Chocolate. Chocolate is high in caffeine, fat, and cocoa, the trifecta of reflux problems. It also contains an ingredient called methylxanthine, which has been known to relax the muscle in the lower esophageal sphincter, LES. This makes acid reflux more likely to happen. High-fat food. Fried and fatty food, especially saturated fat, can also relax the muscles in the LES. This puts you at greater risk for reflux symptoms. Generally speaking, limit or completely avoid foods like beef, pork, whole milk, bacon fat, lard, potato chips, and other fatty foods. Caffeinated drinks. Caffeine is known to trigger acid reflux. If you notice aggravated symptoms of acid reflux after your morning coffee or tea, you should stay away from it. Carbonated beverages. The fizzing bubbles in carbonated drinks are carbon dioxide. If it gets trapped in your stomach, it may result in bloating, which just creates more pressure and pain. If you're prone to symptoms of acid reflux, simply opt for plain water. Spicy and tangy foods. Foods like onions and garlic do trigger symptoms of heartburn in many people. If you notice symptoms of acid reflux anytime you consume these foods, then you may want to stay away from them. Alcohol. If you're prone to acid reflux, do well to stay clear of alcohol. Alcohol has a dual negative impact. First, it relaxes the muscles in the LES, making stomach acid more likely to escape. And second, it stimulates acid production in the stomach. This combo exacerbates the symptoms. If making the necessary dietary changes does not relieve your symptoms, then it's best to speak to your doctor to determine the best solutions for your condition. Don't forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on so you won't miss out on any new video. Thanks for watching.